In this video, I'll show you how to get original volume mixer in Windows 11. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. There are two ways you can get the original volume mixer right in your Windows 11. The first way is for you to click on your start bar, right? Click on this. Come on here, type in SNDVOL, right? You're gonna click on the open. Now I think this is the first mixer, right? You can look right here. This is the volume mixer. You can reduce this, you can increase, right? You can do it for the same like all of them. So yeah, it's very easy. So that's how you can do this. The second way is for you to click on this, right? Click on the settings. Once it has opened up, you're gonna click on the sound, right? Once I've clicked on the sound, scroll down, you're gonna see the volume mixer right here. So click on it, so you can see everything you want. You can adjust everything you want. So it's very easy. You can see the apps, system sounds, microphone, sniping to all of them. So you can reset any of them if you want, right? So I don't think there's any need for me to reset this because this is basically an educational tutorial video. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I'm gonna see you all in the very next